Hi, in today's video tutorial, I'm going to cover 4 antivirus applications. Just smash that like and subscribe and we can move on. I'll leave a download links to all 4 in the description. The first antivirus I'm going to cover is Avast. While I show in the video the installation process, I'll cover the pro and cons of each antivirus. Let's go over the pros. Strong and reliable protection from various types of malware. Free password manager and free web browser. Home network scanning feature. Mobile security feature. The Do Not Disturb mode allows suspending notifications during gaming. The antivirus is lightweight and doesn't slow down a PC noticeably. Premium versions are affordable. Now let's cover the cons. No automatic scanning of new drives connected to a PC. The boot scanning is too slow. No firewall in the free package. You can see that the user interface is very friendly and easy to operate. Here are some more facts about Avast Antivirus. Compatible with all modern platforms, Windows 10, Mac, Android, and iOS. Different levels of protection against malware. Effectively detects phishing sites. A strong security plugin for browsers which automatically detects suspicious websites. New passive mode for running multiple security products in parallel. Okay, now let's move on to cover BitDefender free version antivirus. This version is excellent at removing malicious viruses that already exist on your system. But a downside is that it will only remove it from the main system and quarantine it so that it does not cause any further damage. Pros: free for use, on access protection, easy to use, light on the system. Cons: no parental control, no system customization, one device use. You need to sign up for a BitDefender account to activate it. This version is good if you have detected a computer virus and you want to remove it, but it is not the best real-time antivirus protection. Basic protection. As you can see, BitDefender Antivirus Free Edition doesn't have the wealth of features. It does contain the same basic protection against malware, malicious websites, and fraudulent sites, though it lacks some of the Premium Edition's additional protective layers. If you want every drop the famed BitDefender malware protection, and you can spare the cash, it's worth paying for BitDefender Antivirus Plus, but the free edition is still very good. Okay, moving on to cover the third antivirus, Avira. Pros: very light, smooth running, nice user interface, Great offline engine. Excellent detection for non-zero-day threats. High-quality signatures with frequent updates. Deep file scan. Add-on for Chrome and Opera. Cons. Pop-ups. Browser launcher using too much memory. Poor zero-day protection. Behavioral shield. Weak heuristic protection. No firewall or web shields. Removal tends to be painful for each detections due to repeated scanning. Real-time file detection causes Luke FileWalker to scan operations, taking time and CPU usage.
Let's do it right, do it right.
Overall, Avira Antivirus Pro is a good performer with excellent protection results. If all you want is solid antivirus protection, the free version will do. With Avira Free, you still get the key features: ransomware protection, excellent antivirus protection, phishing protection, and the same app with low impact on performance.
Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Just do it right, do it right. Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Just do it right, do it right. Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Just do it right, do it right. Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Do it right, just do it. Just do it right, do it right.
Okay, moving on to the fourth and last antivirus in this tutorial, Total Antivirus. Pros: strong protection against malicious URL. Solid phishing protection. Comes with user-friendly apps for all 4 major platforms. One of the least demanding antiviruses in terms of system resources. Offers an impressive list of optimization tools. Around-the-clock customer protection. The free version is a nice touch. Cons: no independent test results on malware tests. Advanced firewall protection is only available with the paid plans. No real-time protection with the free version. Quick scans can take up to 15 minutes to complete. This is a 100% free antivirus product that doesn't come with a time limit. However, it's one of the least feature-packed free antiviruses on the market and doesn't even offer real-time protection. If you value your security and privacy, I highly recommend going for the paid versions.